You don't need design experience to create a beautiful birthday invitation. Let me show you how to customize a template pre-made design and get it ready to list in your shop. I'm starting by choosing a birthday invitation template. Using a pre-made design gives you a strong layout right away. So instead of designing from scratch, you're focusing on small changes that make it your own. Next, I'm removing any elements I know I won't be using. Clearing out extra details makes it easier to see what really matters. Now I'm updating the main heading so it reads, "Join us to celebrate Sophia's 25th birthday." Simple wording changes like this can completely transform the style of a template. One update like this instantly shifts it. At this point, I want to add something like a nice beverage illustration. Template gives us plenty of options to choose from, which makes it easy to match the mood you're going for. I'm going to use this one. Once it's placed, I'm just making sure everything is aligned and keep spacing consistent so the design feels balanced and easy to read. And just like that, we've taken a pre-made template and turned it into a totally different design that is ready to list in your shop. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials on creating sell-ready designs with confidence.